Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you through the swatches of my favorite shades from the brand new Giorgio Armani Rouge Armani Matte Lipstick collection. Giorgio Armani have done it again. They have really nailed this matte lipstick formula. The technology behind this is absolutely brilliant, and these lipsticks are intensely pigmented. They have up to 50% more pigment than a regular matte lipstick. Just one swipe and you have an opaque color on your lips. They just last really beautifully and for quite a long time on the lips too. I've had the opportunity to play with these lipsticks for about 3 weeks now, and every time I've worn them, I have never experienced any dryness on my lips. I've never experienced any cracking of the formula, which can be a real issue with matte formulas, and they're a really great partner in crime to any beautiful makeup you want to wear. So I'm going to take you through 6 of my favorite shades, and I can't wait to show you them. One more thing before I get into the video, take a listen to this. I just love a solid closure. The first shade I'm going to show you is 102. I would describe this as a blush toned nude, and it is absolutely one of my favorite shades from the collection. I would consider this shade a really beautiful one for everyday wear, and for me personally, it would pair really nicely with basically any makeup look that I like to wear. Now onto the shade 500, which in my opinion is the perfect shade of pink. It's not too soft and it's not too bright, and this pink is such a complementary shade on so many skin tones. While on the lips it may look a little similar to the shade 102, I've got them here for comparison so you can see the difference. So you can see it's a little bit lighter and almost a bit more peachy. And peachy tones are exactly what I would be wearing with this shade. Now onto shade 501, which I would describe as a deep mauve. I love this shade because it's quite an editorial one and less everyday. I love this paired with the bold winged liner and lots of lashes. Now this is my kind of bright lipstick. Shade 402 is a really beautiful pop of color in a bright orange tone. This color is going to be a summer favorite of mine, I can just tell, and I'll be pairing it with super dewy glowing skin. This is shade 400, and this is your classic blue-based red. The kind that makes your teeth look whiter and brighter. This intense matte finish just makes this beautiful red even more chic. And I mean, this could suit so many different makeups, but I would really love to see this paired with a bronzed eye. Lastly, we have shade 600, which is an incredible vampy shade of purple. This would be perfect to wear during winter, or again for more of an editorial vibe with just glossy eyelids. So as you can see, the Rouge Armani Matte is a real partner in crime when it comes to your makeup. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed seeing the swatches. I will leave a link to the products so you can shop them or check them out in the description down below, and I'll see you guys in another video real soon. Bye.